channel. I got a Christmas gift. My uncle. Thank you, Buddhik uncle, for the gift. Paint and pottery wheel. I'm so excited! Yay! Let's open the box! Look like a watch, and we have paintbrush. I don't know what it is. This. I think this is the same of like this one, that yellow thing. What's the one? Oh, that's a clay. Okay, now let's open this one. I need scissors. Okay, no, no. Open the door. I need scissors. Oh, there's a clay. Oh, let's open this. What is this? Oh, we don't need to open this. Let's just open the battery. We have to just. Okay, now, whoa! Okay, we need big batteries. They're blue, but they're not red. Okay, now it's finished. Now okay, now we have to close it. It's closed. It's closed. And let's drive it. Let's see hope it works. Okay. Whoa! That's awesome! That looks like a sun because it's yellow. Now I need to open this. I'm so little, so I'm getting a help from my mom. Scissors will cut your fingers and hurt your fingers. Now what do we have? This look like this one, but it's a star. What is this? Oh, I think we have to just do the Play-Doh like this. Okay, now what do we do? Is this a watch? No. I don't know what is this. Oh, two paintbrush. Another look, paper. There's a lot of paper. I don't know, we can't read that. Okay, now we should open this Play-Doh. I want to see what is the Play. Now let's open the clay. Look at it. To touch it. Now let's take the clay out. First experience. Before I didn't do it. My very first time. Oh my god, this is hard. Open. I think it's a cup or a pot or a plate, but it looks like a cup. Look at this. So guys, we have to keep this for the dry. Finish drying, then we can paint it. Then we can see what will happen. We'll see after. Now let's paint the pot. Look, we have this color: green, blue, yellow, red. Blue is my favorite color. Okay, now first I'm going to use blue. Which brush should I use? This is small. I think, let me see, are they the same size? Oh yes. Okay. Look at it. Close this one, or if we not close, it'll spill. Wait, why is this not closed? Okay, we don't need to close. Now let's use yellow. Okay, let's put some water in because I'm cleaning it, that's why. Look at it, it's blue. Look, we have color here red, then we have to color here up yellow. Okay, first we need red and begin. It really slowly, you know why? It'll go like that. Wow. Where should I color this one? I think red. Okay. Color yellow here. I should not go here. Or I need to delete my games. Okay, now we are finished coloring. I need to wash this. Okay, we are finishing wash this thing. It's time to color yellow. Oh, okay, that's it. Good. Good. Now look at my beautiful pot. I like to drink in this. That'll be good. I hope you enjoy my pottery making video. Please thumbs up for my video. Thank you for watching.